Need to move funds from Wise to PayPal? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to make it work smoothly. By the end, you'll understand how to use your Wise account to top up your PayPal balance with no confusion. Let's get started. First, go to your PayPal account and click Transfer Money located under your PayPal balance. This will take you to a page where you can manage your funds. Next, click Add Money to your balance. PayPal will then generate bank details for you, including the account number, routing number, and most importantly, a reference number specific to your PayPal account. Then go to your Wise account and click Send at the top of your dashboard. This lets you start a transfer. After that, click Same Currency to ensure the transfer is processed without converting currencies. Input the amount you want to send, then click Continue. Next, click Add Recipient and select Business or Charity. This is because PayPal acts like a business account when receiving bank transfers. Now input all the bank details PayPal generated, including the name, account number, and routing number, then click Confirm and agree to I understand the risk. Here's the most important step. Make sure to input the reference number PayPal gave you. This helps them know that the money is for your specific account. Then click Confirm Payment, enter your Wise password, and you're done. And that's how to transfer money from Wise to PayPal the right way. It's simple once you know where to find the right info, and remember that reference number. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!